Back to our regular business. Back to the gameplay.
Hey, who is this?
What's up, homie? It's Cesar Villalpando, cabrón. ¿Qué onda?
You seen Kendall?
Yeah, she's around, pero mira, I was just hitting you up to say that you drive good. And you like cars, eh? So,
Yeah, I guess. Where we going with this?
you want to make something, a little money?
Does a poke shit in the woods?
I don't know, but if you do want a little extra, there's plenty of money to be made racing.
You talking illegal street racing? Hell yeah.
No hoopties, homes, just low riders. Nice ones. It gotta be nice. You don't get in, eh?
Okay, I'm in. When and where?
Drop by the spot near Corona. I'll take you to the meet. Vouch for you. These guys can be very nervous with the new races, eh?
Awesome, but before I do anything further, go ahead and enter the cheat codes. Everyone. Your clip. Yeah, I'm gonna go check 10 penny. Sort of a bullshit 10 penny out for me.
Why my oil? Girl, what up though? Have you ever tried GABA?
What's up, sweet?
We got a problem. Some punk-ass face-ass fool has been slanging to his grown brothers.
What? Who?
Check this out. He's been buying shit over in Glen Park. He know the hood is talking, and he's hiding out with his new baller friends.
Shit, man. How we gonna get to him?
It's time for you to announce your return, CJ.
$200, man.
You fuck up Glen Park, and that turncoat bitch-ass nigga's gonna lose nerve and make a break for it.
Okay, I'm gonna come pick you up.
Hell no. This is your gig, CJ. You need some strength. Get over to Army Nation and get a heater.
We aren't all going like that. Grove Street needs your support. You make sure to keep it live. Hook that hot asshole. Radio Los Santos.
Hey, you papa.
Shit.
Who's tracking that? This is D-Real, the Peter Man from the Christ Hill. With my man, Julio G.
Boy, I'm a terrible driver, bro.
You're on Radio Los Santos, the home of the newest jams and best records, the place where music is born. Here's a record so hot, it's gonna melt my turntable.
Now I go link sheet. Now I go do stuff. See me Sunday. So 10 penny off for me.
You better kill me, chump.
Oh, I'm the wrong turn.
Yo!
Carl! Dang, where you up? Shit. Where you running off to, Carl? I thought we were friends. Yeah, whatever. As an officer in charge of putting an end to gang violence, I find myself in a difficult moral position, Carl. Yeah, right. Carl, I'm hurt. I truly am. And just as I was about to help those poor Grove Street boys. Oh, yeah? How? I like the status quo, Carl. I like having all you bastards doing my job for me, blowing each other's guts all over the side. Dumb bastards. Now, if it's brought to my attention that one tribe gets an unfair advantage over another, that truly troubles me, Carl. So what you saying, man? I'm saying the ballers have brains, Carl. They watch the news. I'm saying they're making friends, cutting deals, and tooling up for more than half-assed drive-bys. Lots of cheap guns coming into America since the fall of the wall, Carl. Man, cut that bullshit, Tenpenny. Just say what you mean, man. Go check out a busy freight warehouse down the docklands and you'll see what I mean. Carl.
So that's some serious business, bro.
For sure.
And my car gone.
You hit my fucking core.
Driving I get like a bit better. I have to give myself that much. Got to find a way inside. Alright, so. Yeah, coach again.
Hey, who the fuck are you? You're putting your nose where it's not wanted.
I need to heal up now when I lose health. Lose armor as well.
You want some? DJ, fool! Give me that grip. I'm packing heat, fool. This it. I don't give a fuck, fools. Hey, I had that now. Say to me. Stop! We could do this! Now, fuck you, Amerikansky! I'm gone! Doing business in America is bad. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I had a difficult childhood.
Did after running down and gunning down like, what the fuck you mean? Couldn't make him escape. Alright. So that's one mission done successfully. Alright, Dean got sweet.
Tulio G, Radio Los Santos, like I told y'all, the Lynch Mob, Gorillas in the Mist, one of my favorite records, man. Kids, you look like we're going through another funeral.
Dad, we're bored.
You teach your children a lot of good American values, but have you taught them how to have fun? For family entertainment that doesn't stop, head on over to the Starfish Resort and Casino in Las Venturas. You deserve this kind of fun. Water slides, shooting range, and the kids love the Giggle Dome. Plus, we've got the hottest gaming in town. Nobody offers you more gaming value, and you'll teach the kids some important life lessons about real capitalism.
Dad, I lost all my money.
How valuable lesson, son. It's time for your first life.
Oh god.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, let's go fly guns.
In the land of tomorrow. It's the Starfish Resort Casino Hotel in Las Venturas. Mom can go all night on the one-armed bandits while the kids visit the Little Tykes pawn shop.
How'd you do,
Oh,
Jerry?
fly go straight up in our ear while I go dog.
That's my girl.
Share the love with your family. The love of money. And the Starfish Resort and Casino has the best buffet in Las Venturas, featuring our
Yeah.
world-famous bacon truck. The Starfish Resort and Casino. This kind of fun should be illegal.
Yeah. Glen Park, Ballers Community, Ballers Territory. Alright. Ready for them, Yeah, fire rapid, youth.
Come by Ammunition and register to win an anti-aircraft gun actually used when we whooped Australia's ass.
All virtually legal and above board.
Festival with free screenings of the documentary Red Dawn.
Alright, I've done that.
Protecting your rights. God, I sound like hot shit on that commercial. Feeling nervous? Welcome to Ammunition.
The choice of the
Don't forget
professional.
Ammunition Endangered Species Barbecue each Saturday. Protect your home with our
Right,
vaporizing
armor.
spit hit your nuclear bomb. Ammunition loves women too.
Sad,
For the female sports enthusiast or self-defense practitioner with big breasts, get 2 handguns and a t-shirt that says you're about to get a good look at my other 44s. Ladies, tired of whistling construction workers?
Yeah, man, I
The
need that gun.
revolution is coming. With a high-velocity rifle that'll splatter his brains all over the building site. Freedom means the ability to...
Need no more gun, bro. Need to go Glen Park, though.
I need a better analyst.
Comes a nigga from the dark side. Gotta show these devil motherfuckers what I'm made of. Never smoke the cess. Only hit the field when I beat on my chest. I'm laying in the cut. I'm laying in the cut. I'm laying in the cut. About to shoot me up. With the whole
You know the red square is really red?
What you say? Hey, give me that paper. Come on, come on. Oh, look, Jack. You're in a whole lot of trouble, tough guy. Hey, pop out of your teeth. You corny. You get set for life. You need a whole thing, huh? This all you giving me? Kill your ass. Oh, you think I'm a bitch, huh? Bring it on, Dickweed.
Survive the first wave. There's more.
Hey, I'll have that now. Should've stayed at home. Fools! Send them ducats over here. What you think now, fool? I'm going to my retirement fund. You tricks!
Ah, that is it. That is it, my bro. It's never hard. As a matter of fact, I constantly check over here. Okay.
Tenpenny, set me up! Yeah, this is your dick, huh? Oh, you dropped your snap.
you drop your. Nigga 25 the block for the murder. Was it worth that I always wonder? Maybe in the hood, nigga, take me up. It's going out to all of the niggas.
So we can go provoke our next gang war. Alright. Yeah, I'm not provoke our next gang war.
Yo, this is RL Juba, rapping Liberty City. I sent you my demo 9 times, Julio. Stop fronting on my knowledge. Radio Los Santos, boy. You want it early? Come to me. You want the old shit? Go somewhere else. We're all about breaking the music so the rest of the world can follow. Hey, you calling that you? Trying to fake this, but I'm back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected for my land of understanding. From a young team's perspective, and before we dig on a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be burning her man, man. And at the same time, burning her man. Now you know I ain't with that shit, lieutenant. Ain't no pussy good enough to get her while I'm spinning. And that's real up and real deal, how we feel. And now you hook up and hold no half a feel. Well, it was good enough to get rolled off a proper jump. I take a small piece of some of that funk.
No, fuck that, man. I got think juice. Everything's sprinkling sweet.
It's like this and like that, like this and up. Drake creep to the mic like a fan. I'm creeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping. But I tend to get caught because my people kept creeping. Now it's time for me to make my impression felt.
Fuck that. No. I'm not gonna sweet link sweet yet. One cause a little bit more trouble.
Give me that grip. Light. Send them ducats over here.
And them run out with AK-47s, bro.
Give me that paper. Yeah, them my ducats now.
Right all over my face.
This all you giving me?
We sorry, huh?
Anything in a purple, straight up K, bro. Ballers K, bro.
You want some? Give me that
Anything when we see in a purple after dead.
This it?
Them behind me.
That's mine.
I want some more cheats. Coming up on for dead. No early grave settings for me.
Hey, pay a nigga.
I'm not weird there about the boat for this. Send them on.
Huh? Send them duckies over here. Get out of the way. Sorry. Oh, you Give me this. Give me that. Hey, give me that paper. Hey, let's go. Give me that money.
I want more and I can't see them. But them there. Them this? Okay, I don't know. Oh shit.
Should have stayed at home. This all you giving me? You want that price left alone?
Touch quality.
We should get bigger guns and more bullets. Don't make me shoot you in the mouth. You think this is gonna help your trial? What's up, fool? Why you bump me? Ya pues. Hey, God, I just want to talk. Let's go, let's go. Who let you out? I'm stretching.
Shit.
Down and out, man.
Dog, I should heal up before I run in. Don't mind if I get back everything.
Watch your feet. We're gonna get my fist. You in it for life, huh? That's going in my retirement fund. Hey, pay a nigga. I served this buster ass. Huh? Send them duckers over here. Thanks. Everybody down. I got these fools. CSF for life. G's up, fool. Hey, give me that paper. Hey, you want BB Mort?
these busters. You touching me for something, fool? Should've stayed at home. Now, fool. Give me that money. What you say? They said I'll do anything for it. Hey, I gotta meet some very important record people. Check that out. The hell you want, Mark? Shit, I'm sucking the ropes. Move, chump, boy, get him fit.
When it hit homes, nobody like it. Get the hell out of my way before I hit
Piece of shit. How you spit on it? My music. You swinging? You the one that's swinging? Shit, I'm sucking the ropes.
Please, CJ, don't treat me like some worthless trash. I miss you, honey.
Hey, baby, I've been busy, but finna come around there and make it up to you, all right? Watch out!
Ah, shit.
Hey man, see you later, dog. Have some fun with that. You moron! I'm hired a lawyer.
Now, this seems fair enough to me. I'm Leanne Forget. That was the news. We say, I love my kids. Anything.
I will be you.
Hey, don't do it.
Ah, fuck.
Man, don't be running up on me.
Greetings.
Hey,
You like the starfish?
Yeah, that's bad news, bro.
your ass is blind, though, man.
Suckers are wearing diapers. These are inventing hip-hop. But these guys were. Let's play it back. Who's on the line?
What up, dog? This is Keith from Gander Down in Los Santos. Los Santos in the house.
Can you tell me what's your favorite radio station?
Well, actually,
Me one more time.
Never fuck with this.
I'll eat my way out of here if I have to.
man, please. I'm gonna get my swerve on scene. If my girl's all riled up, she ain't interested in me. My zipper, dude. I need something slow jams, you know what I'm saying? Get the girl all hot and sweet.
Some of a comeback between 9 and 5.
Break her out something real.
Is you crazy, Tosh?
You know what I'm saying, homeboy? Now you're the one who needs some knowledge.
Women are aliens, dog. Aliens. Fourth Rider C had to leave this woman because she don't like the old school hip-hop.
Joe with that shake.
Jump on, get upset.
Hey, lady, what's up, girl?
Oh, bad for your health. Like I can feel that.
Ah, good.
Get out of the way, moron.
You just made me spill my sprunk.
You're gonna get it from somewhere, Mike. The story. One time there was an ignorant fool. He wondered why life was always playing tricks on him. Hey, baby. Zebra bar in the fever. Wait, man. You'll learn the nuts. Which first? Zero anger that satisfies your inside cravings. And there. Put it in your.
Fuck. That's no lowrider.
I'm in the middle of a shopping
Listen up, y'all. Listen to the man of the hour. From the streets of Los Santos to Black Alleys and Las Venturas, where you created. I'm always into something. Listen, be educated on the side of the road. All right? To these guns, I know the killer aliens when they land. Yes. Pay attention, y'all. You have no idea what you're missing. I know you're gonna like this flavor. Do yourself a favor. Sit down and listen. It's PE Enemy Television.
Carl, what's up, baby brother?
What's happening?
Tenpenny just came by. Said that one of them ballers that you and Smoke laid out, Lil Weasel, is getting buried and all the OGs gonna be there.
At a funeral?
Yeah, we just catch all those ball sack ass niggas at one time.
Hey, what up? What's going on, dog?
At a funeral. Just like mamas.
What up, family?
Let's go
Yeah,
fuck
this
these
shit.
motherfuckers out.
What's cracking?
Yo, when I don't see it, you know, dog.
Real deal.
Bomba clap.
Put Grove Street on the map for good. For life.
All right, nigga. Grove Street for
Let's
life.
roll. We don't need some allies.
You never seen no gangster? You know where you at, fool? Families, homie, better recognize. Don't be bombing on family. What's up? Let me hit that, family. Hey, my kick. Jump in, family.
We go round back a little supper cross. Like 2 over 4.
Hey, ain't that cat front yard royalty?
Yeah, so if there's a hint of trouble, he's a no-show.
What's up, CJ? Come on.
This is it. Okay, CJ, come on over. Y'all take up positions and wait for Kane. Here he come. Looks like that bus is wearing armor. Might take a round or two to drop his ass. CJ, you take care of Kane. You guys take care of these other marks.
Well, excuse me, motherfucker. Cover me, son.
Getaway car. You guys take out the rest of them.
You out of bounds, homie.
Get everybody in, let's roll.
I'm Mary Beth on K-Rose. All kinds of things happen on the prairie. Sometimes you stand by your man. Other times you're...
You better shut up now, asshole.
Nah, bro. Fuck.
Y'all take up positions and wait for Kane. Here he come.
That damn near 3 hours my life for.
Looks like that
Bomba
bus is wearing
clad.
armor. Might take a round or two to drop his ass. CJ, you take care of Kane. You guys take care of these other marks.
What's poppin', man?
Okay, everybody in, let's roll.
Will you tell it my story?
Okay.
Fucking NPC them now. Move, bro.
Asshole.
Fuck. Dog. I never move like that on a sensor, bro. Thinks I have the whole day for this shit. I have the whole
Y'all
day.
take up positions and wait for Kane.
This is the third and the last time I do this. God damn.
Here he come. CJ, you take care of Kane. You guys take care of these other marks.
Hey, over here, dude. Stay home.
I'll get the getaway car. You guys take out the rest of those balls. Okay, everybody in, let's roll.
I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night.
I also love a rainy night. Great for disposing of things. Everything washed away. Including my conscience and all the evidence.
See it in my eyes, yeah, I love a rainy night. It makes me warm.
Oh, them NPC that takes a long for reaching that blood clot.